Hey, did you know that Inriver have AI built in that can be a toll gate and your content quality checker, spotting unclear, incomplete, or inconsistent product information before it leaves your PIM and become exposed to your customers? Let me show you how this works. Once your products are complete, use our AI product check as your final quality gate. Select AI product check, trigger Inspire, and let it review the content before your customers see it. Here, AI Product Check reviews the product information and breaks its feedback into clear categories. It points out missing details such as fabric breakdown, sizing and carry information, and flags issues like spelling or naming problems. It also spots inconsistencies in the data. For example, the product is marked as red, but the image clearly shows a blue shirt. The AI Product Check highlights issues like this so they can be corrected before it's too late. With this insight, users can quickly correct the product data, fix gaps, and resolve inconsistencies. This improves the overall quality of the product information and ensures customers and answer engines always see accurate and trustworthy content. I hope this was helpful, and please send us a note or visit inriver.com for more information on this content quality check or how we further have embedded the latest AI innovations directly into our PIM to help you accelerate your product content without compromising control. Thank you for watching.